If you want your air conditioner to run smoothly and not suddenly quit on you, knowing what all those AC parts do, especially the high and low pressure switches, is clutch. So, the high and low pressure switches basically act like the safety guards of your AC system. The high pressure switch shuts the unit off if the pressure gets too high, which can happen if there's a blockage or the condenser isn't working right. This stops damage from happening to the compressor, which is super expensive to fix. The low pressure switch kicks in when the pressure drops too low, usually because of a refrigerant leak or low refrigerant levels. This protects the compressor from running without enough refrigerant, which can lead to it burning out. If you ever notice your AC shutting off randomly, or not cooling well, these switches might be trying to tell you something is off. Always check for clogged filters or dirty coils first, because those can mess with system pressure too. If you're not sure what's going on, calling a pro to test the pressure switches and refrigerant levels will save you headaches later. Also, regular maintenance like cleaning and checking your AC can keep these switches from tripping unnecessarily. One of the biggest mistakes people make with their air conditioners is ignoring the warning signs from pressure switches and continuing to run the system. This often leads to compressor failure, which costs thousands of dollars to replace. Fix it by paying attention to unusual shutoffs and getting your AC checked early. Another common problem is not keeping filters and coils clean, which can cause abnormal pressure and make these switches shut down your unit more than needed. Just remember to clean or replace filters every month or two during heavy use. Lastly, some folks try to add refrigerant themselves without knowing the right charge amount, messing with system pressure and causing switch trips. The fix here is simple. Hire a certified technician who can handle refrigerant safely and accurately. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place where homeowners can find trusted local contractors for any home improvement or repair job. It also helps contractors get connected with people needing their skills, making the whole process way easier for everyone.